Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have a couple of Ulta hauls for you. I was trying to take advantage of Ulta. Had this thing like you spend 50, you get 350 points. So the first thing I got is this new hair dryer. This is on sale for $20. I just needed a new one because it just felt like my old one, it would get like the barrel and stuff would get really hot, but it would just take so long to blow dry my hair. So just have the fuser and the concentrator in it. These are on sale for $2. They have a couple other shades. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Flawless Foils Effect. This is in rose gold. And I did check that it does not contain carmine. This is what it looks like, and it has like a little, I don't even know what you would call it. What do they call it? Primer to make that stand out. Now it looks just like a normal little eyeshadow, so I don't know, that's why I only really ordered one. But it was on sale for $2, and it was like originally $8. So the primer itself is like really liquidy. I kind of reminds me of like a Max Fix Plus kind of situation, which you know frequently is used to wet your eyeshadow brush for things. So yeah, see, it just looks kind of like a regular shadow. Oh, it's creamy. It's a cream eyeshadow. Okay. So you see it like applies really well like that. I mean, with a finger. I'm gonna see what this does. Maybe it's for like your, like, see, it's just liquid. So it's slightly oily. I don't know if the Max Fix Plus feels oily. And see, I don't know if it dries more on your lid or supposed to, but it does that. Maybe it holds the glitter. I don't get this thing. That's why I was like, I don't want to pay $8, maybe $2 to see what it's about. To see if it's any good. That is a gorgeous color though. That is like a color I love rocking in the fall, winter, like summer, whenever. It's one of my colors. So I'm not displeased with that by any means. Let me get this off my hand. Next thing in here was supposed to be for a giveaway, and I got it like the thing way back in stock for like a split night one night, and that was it. And this is the James Charles Morphe palette, and it did come like a little bent at the corner because of how they fit in the box, and you know it was wrapped fine, but I'm going to be very careful because I did look into it just in case. And you see what happened. Well, I don't know if you can see, like basically that shade's half gone, kind of gone. Might just need to be pressed. Like most of the crumbs are in there. It just needs to be pressed. So I don't know if this was going to be for a giveaway, and then it arrives damaged. And now I'm like, because it's not the greatest thing. I mean, I can press that. Matte sometimes act a little different when pressed, but you can, like, you know, add a couple. That way, like, I didn't lose more trying to tip that in, but now made a mess. It was already a mess, and some of it is missing just a little bit out of that shadow because it decided to break. That's the only shadow that did break, and that's a decent crease and fun shade. And I don't know, because this thing is sold out, and sold out for I don't know how long now again. Maybe we want that. I mean, I just quickly said that. I don't know if that would still make a good giveaway. And so I don't know if I would still want to put that in a giveaway because it did come fresh. And it did lose some shadow in that very bright orange shadow. The rest are fine. And it would just be like supply and demand. I mean, it's out of stock again. It's staying out of stock again. So, I don't know. So, they did refund my money. So, still deciding what to do with that palette. Like, I don't know. You know, if it had come intact, it was meant to be a giveaway. Oh, and I also got for buying that palette a little sample size of Smashbox Superfan mascara. Now, however, this is free with any palette you bought. However, I found out that this contains carmine, so I will be passing it along. So, anyway, moving on. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. It was on sale. I think it still is for $29.40. Remember, we got this in our BoxyCharm a while ago. And see, I passed it on to my niece because it's like, oh, I remember liking it. I just didn't remember loving it. And then I rewatched because I was going to do a favorite. So 2018, all that. And just, yeah, no. Time-wise, and now it just seems like a little late. But I was watching old favorite videos, and this was in one of them. And then I realized that this is what I found out dries out like little comedones that pop up. They like to pop up in my eye. I got like one right there. Now you have to be really careful not to get in your eyelashes and not to like blink it into your eye because it's really strong. Like, it would be really bad because it does smell like a perm. And it looks smaller like once we got in BoxyCharm, but this is the ounce size, and that's like the biggest they sell it in. You don't need to really put this all over your face unless you are that acne prone. It's more like, I would say, for little small areas. So like I could target the little comedones I have, like, or whatever they're called. Because I remember now, I was like, that's what it was. That's what it, like, I could apply it and it would actually dry them out and like make them go away. And I'm like, oh my gosh. But I gave it to my niece because she's been having more, you know, acne problems. So she's a teenager. Next up, I decided to get, they had the Dose of Colors Mickey collection on sale. So I decided to get the gloss. And I'm glad I didn't get the nudes because the nudes looked really pale. It is vegan, but I decided to get this fun little gold glittery moment. Warm goldy orange. It doesn't really smell anything. It's like a flat applicator, and then just applies to give you some glittery sheen, which I'm down for. And I like their gloss, so it does give you a little bit of color, but it's not really going to show much as anything. It's a good topper, everything. Might even save it for Disney. No, I'll probably start wearing it for the summer. Next, I got a Juvia's Play Serafina blush, and I don't believe this is one of them. No. Okay. But these look so freaking vibrant and orange online that I was like, okay, they do go very vibrant on their blushes, so I wasn't sure. But this is on sale for $5.50 or $5.60, something like that. They still have them. And this is what the color looks like. So it's still vibrant, but it's actually more of a peachy coral and like kind of on the light side. Yeah. It doesn't contain carmine. Y'all know I love my blushes. So yeah, it's peachy coral. So like probably lighter hands best or whatever. But you know, I love my blushes. That's a good summertime, even spring blush. So last but not least, and these surprised me so much. I got 2 of them. There's about 3 more that I want to get. But these are from I Heart Revolution. Just Makeup Revolution's like, they have side brand. Like, this is like their side brand, and now it's like being rebranded as a whole different brand. I don't know. But it's always been on the Makeup Revolution site, and they always had more. And these are $7. And the thing is, you just saw like a picture of a donut. You didn't know how big they were, so I didn't expect them to be this small. And sometimes you can't trust their ingredients. So I'm going to trust the ingredients on the back that say no carmine. So we're going to go with that. This one is called the Donut Shadow Palette. This one is raspberry, I do believe. So it looks like, okay, you see it online. There's no pictures of the inside. I had a blind guess like what these look like. You know, there's $7 palettes or like 12 shades or something, 16, 15 shades, something like that. So I was figuring it'd be something bigger than this little bitty thing, but it's fine. Because I am so freaking tickled by this packaging. It is literally a squishy donut with sprinkles on it. And and it smells like raspberry, like the really artificial raspberry. Like, you ever have one of those cupcake dolls? That's like, that would smell like strawberry or raspberry or something. That's what it smells like. So it's taking me back, and it's so squishy. Okay, this one's called Raspberry Icing. There's actually a blue, a yellow, and a cherry one. So blueberry, cherry, I don't know what they call the yellow one. They might just call it yellow. But they're on my list. But they are $7 each. Let me open it. I was so amused that it's squishy with little sprinkles. It does have a mirror, so yeah. Okay. But these are the shades, and these are so pretty. This is such an Amy palette, I swear. I'm nothing but pink, and not really pretty. And they seem really nice. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. Like, I just went like this with one. And my finger. That smells like it too. So I don't know if the eyeshadow is actually scented or if that's just what I'm smelling. But it's that color in there, and I mean, it has like workable crease colors, like of all shades, and look at that. Look how cute that little palette is. I mean, it's 5 shades, but it's so cute. And the packaging is to die for. Oh my gosh. Squishy donut, y'all. Squishy donut. Okay, and this one is a strawberry glazed donut. Of course, I think. And again, there's no pictures the inside of opening. You just see this picture on the website. You can't even find them on the I Went to Makeup Revolution site because I was trying to get the ingredients. I was trying to see what they look like inside. No, they don't even exist on the Makeup Revolution site. So I'm like, okay. So I'm thinking these are like Ulta exclusive, or they were when I ordered them last week. I don't know. This is squishy too. Now this is a little harder of a squish. The other one's a little softer, but still it is squishy. And there is a distinctive difference. There's a difference in those. So that one does smell like raspberry. This one smells like, you know, artificial strawberry, but it does smell like strawberry. And it does have the little shades on the back. And this is actually really pretty because this one goes like a little warm. Got a little corally warm action going on there. Really good colors. They're not named. Oh, look at that one. That one's that like coral color. They're not named anything, so I couldn't tell you. Look like. I just can't swatch today, but this bottle, look how cute this is. It's adorable, and they have a mirror. I mean, you can pop a few of these in your purse and have looks for days. And they're gonna like be kind of monochromatic, but even monochromatics, they have variances in the depth and everything. So I am very pleased with those. I don't know if I'd be excited them being this small if it wasn't for the packaging. But I'm down with it just because I know Makeup Revolution's prices. But I'm so down with this. Like, yes. It amuses me so much. You have no idea. Okay, that was my haul. So let me know what you bought. Like, if you think that that's still decent palette, so long as I put that disclaimer that I pressed that shadow, but it, you know, still missing a little bit of shadow because that's how it arrived. Or what? I mean, it is a bright orange, so it's not like everyday crease color or even lid color because it's the neon orange color. But you know, you never know. Some people who may or may not. So if that you think that would still make like a good giveaway, let me know. If not, I have nieces that would probably love that palette. So anyway, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.